guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to take you to Dharamshala and McLeodganj. I hope you have fun watching this vlog as much as I did while making it. Make sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment in the comment section below, and let's go to Dharamshala. Reached our destination, that is Karma Exotica Resorts, and this is near Dharamshala. It's not exactly in Dharamshala, it is near Dharamshala, and tomorrow we will be going to McLeodganj because there is nothing to do in Dharamshala, as you can see. So we are very tired because I think 7 hours लग गए हमें यहाँ पहुँचते and I don't think we'll go out anywhere to eat something because ये बहुत ही tight road है and the view is beautiful, but मैं आपको कल सुबह दिखाऊंगी ये view कैसा है because अभी रात को कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. Let's go. सारा स्किन केयर एंड एवरीथिंग करके आई एम रेडी टू टेक अ नैप नाउ बिकॉज आई एम वेरी टायर्ड. बट बिफोर आई डू दैट मैं आपको ये चीज़ दिखाना चाहती थी स्पेशली फॉर ऑल द गर्ल्स एंड गाइज ऑल्सो. दिस इज स्विश ऑन द गो स्किन एंड सर्फेस एंटी जर्म स्प्रे. दिस किल्स 99.9% जर्म्स एंड ये दिस इज नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय द वे. मैंने ये अमेजोन से खरीदा था एंड इट्स मेड इन इंडिया, सो सपोर्ट लोकल. एंड वॉट आई डू इज, जैसे कोविड टाइम्स चल रहा है तो ये आप कहीं भी स्प्रे कर सकते हो. यू कैन इवन स्प्रे ऑन द बेड, you can even spray in your washroom. जैसे आप कोई public washroom अगर use कर रहे हैं आप वहाँ spray कर सकते हैं. So it kills the germs and it will be safe for you only. So I'll put a link to this in the description box. Again, it's not sponsored, but मुझे लगा कि travel के time पे ये आपको काम आता है. So now I'm off to bed and I will show you tomorrow's sunrise. So bye bye. Hi guys again. So my skin has been acting up so much over here. बहुत सारा acne हो रहा है because I've been eating a lot of junk food and sweets जो कि खानी पड़ती हैं. Anyway, apart from that, this is what I have done today. Winged eyeliner, little bit of mascara, and I'm trying out a new sunscreen and also a face cream. So I'll make a review video soon, or I'll show it on my Instagram. Check out my Instagram page here. I might have done a review over there, but I'm testing it out right now. And I'm liking it. Just a heads up. बाकी pros and cons मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी because अभी मुझे 100% नहीं पता. For my acne, I am using a cream. That's all I can say. I have not put any concealer, foundation, nothing. I have just done my eyes, little bit eyebrows, and I have put a face powder. Just a normal K Beauty face powder पूरे face पे ताकि face mattify रहे because I am very oily. पूरे दिन के लिए I cannot take that risk. उसके बाद I put some lipstick, थोड़ा सा blusher and highlighter, and that's it. I haven't even straightened my hair because इतना नहीं होता मेरे से when I'm coming to the hill station. Are you one of those people who gets really dressed up when you go to the hill station? I am not one of those people and मेरे से होता भी नहीं है इतना effort, to be honest, because no one knows you. This is a place where you can be carefree. कुछ भी पहनो, कुछ भी करो. Apart from that, let's go to McLeodganj. Riddhi is scared. Riddhi डरी पड़ी है बिल्कुल because she doesn't like all this stuff. गिरी मुड़ गया पैर. Oh no. Okay, so guys, हमें originally शिवा कैफे जाना था, which is up there. I'll show you in the video. But it is a very big stretch और बहुत चलना पड़ेगा. So we decided to go down to the river. ऊपर waterfall है. We'll see if we want to go to the waterfall or not. But अभी हम फिलहाल river के पास जा रहे हैं. And I will just show you the river. So yeah, that's where we are headed. We wanted to go up there, but हम नहीं चढ़ सकते इतना. So I took 2 souvenirs from the river. This is a beautiful rock. Just look at it. And this one has a silver shine. I don't know video में इतना दिख रहा है कि नहीं, but wow, nice souvenir to take back. Free also. This is the main market of McLeodganj. Now we are finally here. बहुत rush है. So if you are coming by car, it's suggestion to come before 10 AM. यहाँ से ऊपर जाके गाड़ी पार्क कीजिए and then by auto आप यहाँ पे वापस आइए तो आपको कार पार्किंग easily मिल जाएगी. That's what we did and हमें बहुत easily कार पार्किंग मिल गई. So I'll show you the next things also. Back to Ludhiana. This was the end of my vlog. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, visit my Instagram page for more reels and behind the scenes and everything. And I really had fun making this vlog and I really hope you did too. So make sure you're subscribed and I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye.